You never forget. Hey, God. Well done.
Yes.
You are looking good.
Thank you. Please, we are here to take our child.
Okay. But well, let me go and bring him inside. Eh?
Who will want please?
Please hurry up, oh.
Wait, please wait.
What kind of band size is this? See the way he's dressed.
Hey. The guy is always like that. Very funny.
Come and see your parents. See.
You don't know.
My son.
Is this a joke or something?
My child.
No, okay. No, this is how we are doing here. No, that one. This is how we used to do here. If you come, you don't see your own. You just have to carry the one you see first. And the reason why I know you people will be angry, so I say make me find one for you. So, hey, yes, you just tomorrow if you come early, you bring you bring him back. Then we'll give you your own back. That's how we used to do here now.
So you are saying that another person has taken my son, or is that what you are saying?
Yes, that is how we used to do here. Just carry this. See this one fine. Now your picking have no fine this like this. Your picking where it knows feel like this your own. But this one now, look at this. This one is like your picking 3 times now. It is a bonus. Carry this one.
This is a joke. Stop it. This one is handsome. Don't worry. We have to go with him. And we don't have a choice. We need to go with him because the boy is even handsome.
You bring one, you carry one.
If he doesn't bring my son, I'll hold on to this.
But go well.
Make sure you bring my son.
No, just come early tomorrow.
I mean, what are you saying? Someone else's child?
It is not so. This is the routine.
They're taking our
That
phone.
is tradition here. If you come, you don't see your own. You take the one you see first. Or make I carry you go inside. You go empty-handed.
No, don't worry.
You don't know why.
And you don't worry, let's go. You have to go with the boy.
They will bet you well. Oh, tell them to wash your
So
uniform.
my child is not.
It's not. Oh, everybody is gone. The ones that are remaining are very
Don't worry.
ugly.
Just get the car. We have to go with him. I don't have a choice.
But they go wash your uniform. The woman sabi wash uniform well. Excuse me. Why are you taking my son to? Your son. Oga, come. The papa don't come.